So my name is Rahul Rajmane and I'm working as an Associate Director, Cipla Health Limited. And I have almost 20 years of experience in R&D. So as per me, it's a wonderful platform where all the brand owners like us get a chance to meet face to face with all the options available with the CMO, contract manufacturing organization, what they offer, how the products are differentiated than our existing products. So it's a very good opportunity, and my suggestion or my request is each and every big brand owner should meet or should visit the CMPL on regular basis or on year-to-year basis. I rigorously follow the smart work, not hard work. The smart work, and second thing is work-life balance. Those two things I would like to mention. CMPL, I think you should go now abroad. Okay, because it's my confidence that you must be having more than 200 stalls every year, and I think you should go abroad. It's a great opportunity for us to explore what new things are readily available with this.